Cool, Miss Diallo. More.
You can stop now.
You want to say anything? Say your name and how old you are.
I'm 6 and the recorder's about to be 7. And my name is Diallo. If you hear the name Devil, it's not really the name. It's not that name. It's actually just Diallo.
And what does Diallo mean instead?
Stop! Mom! Oh.
Well, you don't want them to get the wrong meaning, so what's the real meaning?
Please! Mom!
You don't want to say it?
Fine.
Cool.
Bold, compassionate star power.
What? Say it clear so they know.
Bold, compassionate star.